Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Accent gear knob. Start by shifting into neutral, applying the handbrake, and disconnecting the battery if your model has electronic controls. Inspect the knob for a visible screw, clip, or threaded base, and decide whether to pull, unscrew, or pry gently. Keep soft cloths handy to protect trim and a tray for fasteners so nothing goes missing during the process. Before you start removing the knob, collect tools and clear space so you stay organized and calm. Prepare a cloth to cushion trim and a small container to hold screws or clips. Check whether the knob threads or uses a set screw, and choose the tool that matches to avoid stripping metal or damaging plastic parts. Work slowly and test movement frequently so you only apply force when necessary. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilarious to tell a robot to clean up metal shavings after a gear knob job. It handles crumbs and garage dust with no fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin removal by examining the knob base for a set screw under a trim ring or boot. Remove that screw first. If the knob is threaded, hold the boot steady and turn the knob counterclockwise to unthread it smoothly. For press-fit knobs, use a plastic pry tool to lift evenly, and apply a little penetrating spray to stubborn joins, tapping lightly with a rubber mallet if needed to free the fit without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.